Okay? I will... Can you read it?
It
Or bake.
bake a cake.
Okay, what should we choose?
Bake a cake.
Bake a cake? Okay, I will bake a cake. Okay. Oops, that's my timer for something else. I will bake a cake.
Face.
Will. Oh, trying to get this up here. Will.
The
Oh, you're right. I forgot to give you a bear for the first. You did 2 sentences already. And I figured read them. It's kind of fuzzy on the thing. It says, the first one was, I will play a game. And then he put, I like to play bowling. I will bake a cake. Mark's stuffy nose. It's kind of hard for him, I think, to breathe, isn't it? I gave him some decongestant. So it's gonna take about 30 minutes to get in your system though. There we go. Trying to clean his nose out. Yep. Okay. Ah, man. Got a lot of gunk in there. Let me see your noses. Good job. Will. Trying to help you out, bud. Will.
W. Face.
What sentence were we working on? I will. Bake. Bake a cake.
B. A. K. E. S. Cake. C. A. K. E. Bear.
Good job. Very good. Press return. Okay, let's see if we can do these other 2 sentences, and then we'll do our spellings out. Okay. Good job. Grandpa needs a lake or cane to walk.
Look.
What's something you use to walk? A lake or a cane?
Egg.
A lake to walk? Now you swim in a lake. I guess you could use a lake to walk if you're doing some river walking. I'm not sure. What is that? Oh, I think it's Cole snoring. You use, what is this picture of? Do you know what this picture is? It's kind of hard to know what this picture is.
Candy.
It does look like candy. It looks like a candy cane.
Candy cane.
It's a cane. It's just a cane. So you can use a cane to walk. And that's a little bit tougher. Poor Mark. You know, it's just terrible. So Grandpa needs a cane to walk. Okay? Start with, should we put Grandpa? Can you do Grandpa? It's a pretty big word. Grandpa. Grandpa. It starts with GR. In the game we were doing before that, you were identifying words that start with GR. Grandpa. Okay? Grandpa. There you go. G.
D.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I think my phone is going off. G. R.
A.
G. R. Now A.Nd. Grand. Pa. Grand. Oh, I put it in by accident. Grand pa. P-A. Oh, poor Mark. P-A. P. Grandpa? Yeah, that's right. That was right. P. You did good. A. Grandpa needs a cane.
K.
Needs a cane.
Cane.
Okay, let's go. Space. Mm. Good job. Eed. Eads.
E. E.
E. E. Needs. Need. That's net. Go back. E.
D.
A. Needs a cane. He keeps drinking. Maybe it's helping with his nose. A cane. A cane.
Yes. This.
Cane. Oh, you stinker. Cane. Cane. I
This.
think I forgot to give you another bear. Now, all done with apple juice. Cane.
C. A.
Mm-hmm.
O.
C-A.
N.
Silent.
E.
Grandpa needs a cane. No, that's right. E. Space. What does a cane help him do?
Right there.
Cane helps you. Oh, that's silly. Cane helps you. Mark. Okay. Where you going? Come back here. Putting your... Hey, no. You're not getting any more apple juice. Put it down on the counter. Okay, come on. Good job.
This.
Sit down. What does Grandpa use the cane for? Grandpa needs a cane
K.
to...
T.
Mm-hmm.
O.
Mm-hmm.
This.
Space. One more word.
This.
What's the last word?
This.
No, it's not apple juice. Grandpa needs a cane to
Up.
walk.
W. A. L. K.
Period. Very good. Okay. Last sentence. Let's get this one done quickly.
Boy.
We saw an vase or ape at the zoo.
I just see.
What would you see at the zoo? A vase or an ape?
Ape.
An ape. We saw an ape at the zoo. Okay? We saw an ape at the
Zoo.
zoo. Okay, let's start. We saw...
The bear.
First return. We saw another bear after this. I got it ready. Let's go. Yeah, we...
W. E. Face.
Saw. What's so funny?
The bear.
Saw.
S. A.
Oh, for crying out loud. There we go. Okay, let's go. Saw. No, back. Go back. Ugh. Got up. I'm in trouble with the thing today. It's not exactly where I like it. Come on, sit down. Go back. Saw. Saw. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What? We saw an space. An ape. And. Mm-hmm.
And.
Mm-hmm.
Day.
No, go back. Just an. Okay, now space. We saw an
At.
ape. They're just reading ant. Ape. Ape. Ape.
Fast.
Silent.
E.
Good job. That's a new word, isn't it? We saw an ape. Where? Where do the apes? Where can apes live? Where is the ape at?
At.
We saw. Look at your sentence, please. Mark, read the sentence. We saw an ape. Quit stimming on your fingers. Come on. We saw
E.
an ape.
A parrot.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, stay here. Finish your sentence. Hurry up. We don't have much time. I only got 3 minutes left. It's not long to do our spellings app. Stop. Come on. We saw an ape. Where? At? No. Keep going. Mm-hmm. We saw an ape at where?
A.
Where does an ape live?
At.
Huh?
At.
Okay, spell it then.
T. A. And.
No. We saw an ape at
At.
the
For.
the what?
At.
I don't know what you're saying. Darn. We saw an ape at.
At.
Oh gosh, I wish I knew it. Spell it out again. We saw an ape at.
At.
Ma'afi. I don't know what that means. The zoo.
C. C.
Mm-hmm.
O.
Mm-hmm.
W.
Zoo. Ooh. It's just O-O. There you go. Period. Whew. Mark. It's tough today. It was a tough one today. But we did a lot. Let's see if we have some time to do... Oh, tomorrow's the 17th. Whoops. I'm going to do some spellings app. Let's just do some short words. Let's do... easy. Okay. Oh, time for high school. Okay, well... No, don't push snooze. Because I'll turn on the... Okay. Well, we're not. It's time for high school, so get your socks and shoes on. Yeah, we got to go to the fair today. Joshua's showing his guinea pig this morning, and it starts in 30 minutes. So I got to get Mark to school and Joshua to the fair. So we'll do some spelling zap tomorrow.